This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. So how do you make sure your employees behave in an ethical manner? First of all, you at the top, you leaders, need to act ethically. You need to set a good standard for the people who report to you. And then you need to cultivate an ethical culture of all of your employees to understand that doing the right thing is the principle of your company. And then you embrace an ethical structure of corporate governance. So one of the reasons why do you care if you're behaving in a socially responsible manner? Well, the comparative ones, and I guess if you say game theory is what we see in the movie Wall Street, where Gordon Gekko, the lead perpetrator in the movie, says, greed is good. Greed is good. So that's kind of game theory. Let me do the best I can for myself and the heck with everybody else. Social contract theory, on the other hand, says if we want other people to deal fairly with us, we need to deal fairly with other people. One of the other models that said these are kind of incorporated. So in other words, looking at the previous slide, social contract theory leads into other models of examination. These two are not separate from each other. The stakeholder model says that it used to be, when I was in business school, when I got my MBA, we were told that our boss was the stockholder, that everything that we did needed to be a direct benefit to our stockholders. Today, we take a slightly different view, and that's called the stakeholder, to be distinguished from shareholder. So shareholder is someone that actually owns a stock certificate or more, and a stakeholder includes those stockholders, but it also includes the employees, the vendors, the members of the community where these businesses operate, and so forth. So that's very important for people to see that stakeholder is a broader model of responsibility than just saying we're going to take care of the stockholders. And so there's some balancing being done there. And then secondly, one of the things that we call a company that's practicing social responsibility, one of the way to measure that performance is something called triple bottom line. Triple bottom line means that the company is taking care of its employees and vendors and also taking care of the environment. And that's hard to measure, by the way.